Flip your hiccups upside down with a mind-bending trick. Drinking water upside down can actually fool your diaphragm into chilling out. Imagine this: when you hiccup, your diaphragm's spasming out of control. But when you lean forward and sip from the opposite side of the glass, you're not just defying gravity, you're also giving your diaphragm a surprise party it never expected. This unusual position shifts your body's focus, easing those rhythmic contractions and silencing the hiccups. It's a bit like hacking your own body's software without a single line of code. So next time you find yourself in a hiccup loop, channel your inner acrobat and watch as your hiccups vanish in the most unexpected way. It's a life hack that's as quirky as it is effective, leaving you both hiccup-free and feeling like a master of unconventional solutions.